Hey, welcome. This is Chaplain Chat. Today's August 1st, Friday, and Gail and I just got back. You're going to be seeing some shots. We went to Cat Haven, and I'll get type. Cat Haven is located in. I'm looking at this guy's business card. The address is 38257 East Kings Canyon Road. And I'm going to introduce, you're going to see an interview with Dale, the creator of Cat Haven. I got some pictures. Go ahead, you can even Google Cat Haven or go to www.cathaven.com. You got to see it, see what it's all about. Great place to visit. Got some shots of some big cats. So this is just the intro to Chaplain Chat at Cat Haven. Okay, keep an eye, watch this stuff.
Yeah, he is.
Keeps thinking, I got my feet wet. I don't want my feet wet. Notice his eyes. He has round pupils. Only the great cats have round pupils. The lions, tigers, jaguars, and leopards. The rest of them have the elliptical pupils of a house cat. So he's kind of odd in that case too. I mean, it's distinct to lynx for some reason. Anything their side, from birds' eggs to lizards to fish to down squirrels. She killed a rattlesnake in there last summer. He took it away.
How it's like stripes up on their head and then spots everywhere else.
I'm calling Dave.